Welcome back. Really quick, I'm gonna unmold this little guy here because my friend is coming over to try and use it. So let me skip my way around. This is gonna be challenging because I have my forest rearranged for the spring. Okay, Baby, are you okay? Nope, we're gonna move you behind me. Okay, so this is ignore the screw for now, it's there for a reason. I'm trying not to hurt myself while taking this off. See, I just did it and then did it. Ooh, okay, yeah, oh yeah. All right, dang, it looks more like a planet because the excess, but I can definitely smooth this down. This looks so good. Like, I don't know why I put this on there when the trash is literally right in front of me. This looks so good. Like, hold on. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, now I want to open the other ones. This is so funny because it's like, I don't know if you can see, but it's like in there but not in there. It's like just in there enough. This is so freaking cute. I'm contemplating whether or not I want to leave this or not because it's not supposed to be there, this ring around. It's just because I went through. Actually, can I peel this off? Oh yes I can. Oh yes I can. Yep. Right, Roan, because it's a thin layer. Oh, this makes me so excited. This looks so pretty. So this I made for my brujeria storage. I wanted it to be, of course, my favorite shade of blue, with, like, you know, some gold and some iridescent glitter. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, now I want to open these. Has it been 24 hours since I molded this? It might have been because it's after 4 now. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's definitely been more than 24 hours, and that's the minimum recommended curing time. Yeah, that sound like. All right, so I'm gonna start with this one. These are all for me, that's why they're all blue. Oh, this is gorge. Yep, it's going on the altar. This looks so good. Oh my god, this makes me so happy. Yeah, I'm about to make, I gotta make some incense holders. This looks so good. I'm about to plop this thing in here right now. Let me get you some use, girl. Fresh off the press. Yeah. Oh yeah, we cooking with grace. Let me just put you here for decoration. I've been breaking the sticks off so that it doesn't spill too much on the outside, so it's less mess. All right, so this can go over here. This I'm gonna be working with. And numero tres. Yeah, that's cured. Oh yeah. So I'm making myself a bunch of these, like the exact same one for my plants to stay in my house that will not be going to shows. Because I've been using the ones that I've made in-house. So I'm going to put them on the website and mark them down. But, you know, product testing to make sure that they're not like bending under pressure and stuff. But yeah, I got to drill a hole in this one. These other ones are, I can just peel them off. Actually, I might, yep, I can peel this one off too. It's just a little bit thicker, but it's not that bad. Oh, this is amazing. This looks so good. Now I need to remember the ratio of colors so I can get this shade again. I'm so excited. Like, this is so great. All right. Oh, and I made like a bookmark with the leftover. So I'm gonna see if this works. Do I have a book over here? I have a notebook, but it's not the same. But yeah, so those are the, this looks so good though. Like, this came out so good. And I guess I really didn't need that bottom part to be filled all the way out, but this is essentially the leftover from this, because I had a time trying to mold that one. Let me make my way back around here. This is so amazing. I'm so glad I made these. They're so pretty. This one's a little bit lighter, but that's fine. But this bad boy and this one, yeah, got me at work with. All right, ain't got nothing else. Thank you so much for watching. Well, I'm not gonna move it because I'm gonna use it in a second. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to make a custom order, you can DM me on any of my Pointless Creates page, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, or you can send a form on the website pointlesstalks.com/crafts, or anywhere on the page actually. Pointlesscreates.com, takes2to pointlesstalks.com/crafts. Make sure you listen to all 100 episodes of the podcast, and just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye. My bra strap showing.